Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Just taking a look at the Swissy yen. There's a few things about this chart. We've got, this move here traded up from this level and on the daily, so we'll just call that support. What we got here, we have, if you have a look at this candle left and right of this candle here, right, let's call it a gap. We've got a price gap through here. You can't see it. All right, I'll do that. Price gap, a little bit of a gap through these, through this one, and then back here we've got that. In my opinion, market is going to look to rebalance. Okay, so we have a strong impulsive move here from this balance area. It'll by nature, it has to rebalance. And then we've got this pin bar candle up here. We're overextended, and it just makes sense to me that we trade down to fill these, possibly down to here. So I've actually shorted this on my MT5 account. What I want to do is let's go down time frames a little bit here for a bit of a look at it. Okay, so we've got this bearish candle now engulfing previous candle. So it's kind of shaping up. You can see price action, how it's traded up, but then you get this sort of, it starts to look a bit tired. It's another thing. That's something that I always look out for. And I don't know if you're into Elliott wave, you'll probably be able to find a 5-wave structure through here. I'm not really an Elliott wave kind of guy, but yeah, anyway, there's a few things. What I want to do now is just go down, show you this 5-minute, 15-minute breakout. I tend to take most of these just on the 5-minute chart by itself. Breaks out, looks to trade back, rejects, and short. Same thing here. Okay, breaks out, just go straight off these signals. I've got these set up in the alerts and I've been trading these all night. We've had an amazing night tonight. Pulls back, retest, fail. There's your trade. We've got a Discord group, and yeah, we've been pretty busy. It's been a big night, rewarding. Guys, jump on board. The link's below. Discord. It's free to join. You're welcome to join. So I would have gone off this pullback here. Well, actually, probably would have taken that. I looked to close 2/3 of my position early, so that would have been TP1. Definitely hit there. Just keep taking money out of the markets. That's what it's about. This one here, I mean, some of them are a little bit short-lived, but that's still, when you've got all of these firing, it's absolutely worthwhile. The way I enter this, my entry is, I'll grab that, breakout signal fires, right, pull back, and when we get a touch, I'm going to set it up like this pretty much. I'll look left, and I'm going to work the cloud. It makes sense to me that a stop above here would be the thing, especially with this, it's pretty volatile. Stop loss here, and I'm always going to take 2/3 off my position off here. Right, you can pull a wider stop if you want. You could have gone up above the cloud. That's another thing. Just by default, if you want to go above the cloud, TP1 then. Take 2/3 off, and then I always pull the stop loss down to be in the money. And it's a profitable trade regardless. Right? Sometimes, you make more than others, but look, guys, how many of these would you not want to take? Jump on board. Join our Discord group. The link's below. It's free to join, and gain access to the indicators. That's available as well. Information's there for you. Okay, with that, Swissy yen, I'm short. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and as always, safe trading. See you in the next one.